Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tropa, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. At patuloy mo lang pagiging mabuting tao at totoo. Iwasan mo yung mga plastic. Sunugin natin sila. happy birthday. And stay healthy. More birthdays to come.
Okay.
Happy birthday, tropa. Stay humble ka lang lagi. Lagi ka lang dikit sa amin. Hindi ka namin pababayaan. Muli, happy birthday.
Yan, good morning mga tropa. Yan, meron po tayo ngayong babatay isang katropa na lagi natin kasama sa work. Ayan po si tropa Maria Claricia Lugueta. Ayan. Happy birthday. Yun, salamat nagsinak ng katropa ka namin dito sa office. Nasa minsan makulit ako. Alam mo naman, makulit talaga tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Salamat. Ayun. Happy birthday. Good day. Ayun. And more birthday to come. Happy birthday. Katropa at Maria Claricia Lopreta. Happy birthday.
Hello, tropa. Happy birthday. Hope and pray good health sa family mo, especially sa'yo. Thank you sa pagiging tropa, kahit ikaw ang aming nag-iisang tropa girl, no? Don't ever change for the better. Then patuloy lang, yung laging pinapayo ko sa'yo. Don't lose chances sa mga circumstances, ng mga opportunities na dumarating sa'yo. I know you're a bright girl, you're a good heart, especially sa family mo, especially sa amin. Thank you for being there sa mga ibang tropa, sa Redson, kay Jason, and sa akin, sa lahat. No? If you change for the better, and I know you'll be a successful someday. And God bless you, and more power to your birthday. God bless you because you're a blessing to us. Bye-bye, tropa.